am in the third year of high school. Well, I'm going to tell you about the beliefs culture Quechua of the Ecuadorian Amazon. When you put a basket on your head, you will not grow. When you eat a twin grain plantain, your baby will born together. No normal. You don't have to eat peanut at night because when you are sleeping, a cockroach will get into your ear. If you don't wash a pot well, your baby will born dirty. You don't have to walk with your neck because your mom will die. If you punish a dog with a stick of lizard, the dog will die skinny. One, when you drink with egg, it is because someone is going to lie to you. Two, if you dream of sucking grapes, you are going to cry. Three, if you dream with a canoe, it is because you are going to see a coffin. Someone will die. Four, if you dream of kissing, it is because you are going to get flu. Bye bye. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood part of the belief of the culture Quechua.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and a vision that was planted in my brain still
I'm going to tell you about the